Every colorful fabric begins with science, precision, and an advanced textile dyeing process.
Raw cotton fabric first undergoes wetting, allowing water to penetrate naturally wax-coated fibers evenly.
Desizing removes starch applied during weaving, preparing fabric for efficient chemical processing. Scouring eliminates natural oils, waxes, and impurities using heat and alkaline treatment. Bleaching creates a pure white surface for brighter, cleaner, and more vibrant dye shades. Mercerization strengthens cotton, boosts shine, and dramatically improves dye absorption and color brilliance. Batch dyeing slowly transfers color until nearly every dye molecule enters the fabric. Continuous dyeing rapidly colors massive fabric rolls through padding, drying, and fixation stages. Dope dyeing colors synthetic fibers before extrusion, creating exceptional long-lasting color fastness. Fibers and yarns can also be dyed before fabric production for unique textile designs. Different fabrics require specialized dyeing machines for gentle movement and perfect color penetration. Jigger dyeing machine is used in the textile industry to dye woven fabrics in open width. Winch dyeing machine is primarily used for the batch processing of fabrics in an endless rope form. Jet dyeing machines are used for the high-pressure, high-temperature pre-treatment, dyeing, and post-treatment of fabrics in rope form. Beam dyeing machines are used to uniformly dye or bleach yarns and fabrics wound on perforated hollow beams. Temperature, time, pH, and liquor ratio precisely control every successful dyeing operation. Each fiber demands specific dyes for maximum bonding, durability, and vibrant lasting color. Digital textile printing dramatically reduces water, chemicals, and waste while delivering precise, colorful designs. Waterless dyeing uses carbon dioxide or air, protecting resources and lowering environmental impact. Poor process control causes streaks, bleeding, uneven shades, and costly production defects. From raw fibers to vibrant fabrics, textile dyeing combines chemistry, engineering, and sustainable innovation.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.